Hi traders, good morning. How are you? Please tell me if you can hear me because I have fixed my snowball, my mic, but I want to be sure that it's working fine. And I need your confirmation that everything is going well. Now I was looking on GJ on the 30-minute. And it seems like the price is trying to continue to go up and maybe to retest again this area, and let's see if the price will break this resistance from here where we have this range zone, and I believe that the price maybe will do like a fake out and will tap again this zone where we have the weekly resistance at 145, almost 145-100, and then maybe the price will break and it will continue to go up or it will come back down. And I was watching this one that it's trying to go out of this area. So please tell me that you can hear me because I have a lot of things to say to you today. And now I can see that the price on the 15-minute is moving and it wants to continue to go up. And let me watch on the 4-hour. Yes, definitely on the 4-hour is trying to fill this week and then to continue to go up here. I was trying to look also to some other pairs. Perfect, so you can hear me. Good. So I was trying to look also to some other pairs, and some of them they are in the same situation like GJ. Some of them I have sent it to you today, some signals. I can say that this week it was very difficult to trade, and after I can say that I am pretty happy because I did almost 50 pips profit, and it's good that I finish like this the week, because I don't like when I don't trade at all a week or I lose. So this one with losing, I'm cutting from the beginning, and I want to win. That's why I'm trying to stay consistent, and if one trade it's not going well like I want, well, I cut the trade, or I wait for another let's say a better opportunity, and this opportunity can come in 1 or 2 days, depends of the market and depends in which day you lose the trade. So in my case, I can say again, and I repeat myself, I had a profitable week, and I hope that you catch the signals that I gave you, and you made pips too, because I will be very happy to hear that. And also I received a lot of messages, private messages, that people want to learn more, and I suggest you to, like I told you in the messages on the educational chat, that you should try to learn more. Oh wow, look at GJ on the 4-hour, it's pushing, so it's trying to go out from this area. So what I was saying is that I want to give you the best advice. It's that it's better, before losing so much money in the market, I suggest you to go and study. I don't know, you can come and study with me. There are some other traders. you have Googles, you have books, you have millions of opportunities during these days with internet, and you can learn. So I suggest you, before to trade, to learn, because you need the basic things first to understand how the forex market is working. You will, but I will not make the Zoom today. I will make the Zoom Monday, because Monday it will be ready. Sorry, I was answering of one question of Roham. So regarding of all the messages that you have sent it to me, please try to learn, because it will help you a lot. Okay, I am here at this stage of my trading, and I am also calm, because some of the people of the group, they said, I cannot believe how calm you are, and how can you manage the trade and the situation. Well, also when you are learning, you will understand that you need a lot of patience in this market, because otherwise you can lose your head and take trades, stupid trades, I want to say, losing money, and you cannot focus on something that, let's say, really brings you that freedom. That means money, pips, and so on, how you want to calculate. Okay, now I'm still looking at GG on the 30-minute, and it seems that it's trying to break this area again of 145. And if you remember, I was telling you this, so if the price is not breaking down, it will go up to retest again this area. I want to go and see where is it, Euro USD. So Euro USD, I'm still hoping that the price will it will reject from here, and then it will come back down. So I was saying that please do this, because it will help you a lot. Okay, first of all, if you want to be by my side, and if you want to learn from me, you have the opportunity, I don't know, go on the website at bloomfxsignal.com, and there you have all the information that you need about the courses, about everything. I mean, if you want to learn, just come here. If you want to learn more, and if you want to know exactly my strategy, then you can take my courses. The courses can take place how you say, one-to-one, or 3 people in one group. Okay, so you have all the details there, but please, you should try to learn. You should try to understand how this market is going. Okay, I have showed you also on the educational channel how I trade. I showed you also with my signals how the trades are going and what I see exactly, and so on. So you should know, also when you are taking a signal, you should know exactly how to use the percentage, how to place the take profit, the stop loss. I'm saying this and I repeat myself, because in the group are coming new people, also on the YouTube are coming new people, and they really need to know how the things are working here, okay, with me. Now I can see that coming back to GG on the 30-minute, the price, it's rejecting this zone, it seems like. Let me go on the 15-minute. No, I think it will continue to go up. Definitely. If you have any questions, please you can ask me. Nothing much also with EURJPY. I can say that I didn't like too much this week, and imagine that you can find a lot of weeks that they look like this one, that it's similar with this one, that at the beginning the market can be manipulated. Maybe the market is moving so and so, or maybe the market is moving on the Asia session, and you should understand exactly how this candle they move. And also that's why I say that you should start and learn something before going in the market, because it's let's say a very tough area where you can blow your account, and I don't want you to lose your money, because it's very difficult to make money these days. Also because of the virus, a lot of people, they don't have places to work and so on, and they have families. And okay, I don't want to speak more about this, but I want to say that you should take care of your money, and you should grow your money, not to lose them, okay? And this is also my strategy. I want to win, not to lose, and you should do the same and think the same. And you should think to this forex market like a business. Are you thinking about sending a signal for GJ today? Well, Max, if I will see something which it gives me a better confirmation, yes, of course. Well, that's why I'm here on the YouTube, because first I want to explain some things for the new guys that they are here with me. The second, because if I have any opportunities, yes, of course, I will take a trade here with you, and I will show you, and you will take it in the same time with me. And if you remember, I did it a few times, okay, and I will do it every time when I will find the opportunity. Right now, in this moment, if you remember, that's why I didn't clear the chat, because nothing happened from yesterday to today. And if you are looking, GJ is in the same situation, okay? So really, I want to see what's going on around, where is my brush? Around this area, how the price will react, where the candle, it will touch 145, 145, 100, because maybe the price will continue to break it and continue to go up, or the price will reject it from here and then it will come back down. And in my head, it's like the price created like a fake out, and it came back down in a range zone. So there are some little things that you should learn them, okay? Some basic things. First, you have to understand how to map up your trades, okay? And so yes, if I will find any opportunities, with all my pleasure I will take the trade, because that means that in the same time I will trade with my real money, okay? So when I will do it, I will tell you, and you should be prepared. But in the same time, you can stay here with me. If you have any questions, you can ask me. If you want to learn more, well, that's why I'm here, to tell you more things about the candles, about the market, about how the candles are moving, why we should put understand where to put exactly our resistance or support, because if you don't map exactly your chart, then you will not be able to take good trades, profitable trades, because you cannot identify exactly your zones. That means that you will not be able to identify where the price may continue to go up. Okay, and you should do it this starting from the monthly chart, weekly, daily, and so on. And of course, when you start a new month, you go on the monthly chart and you do your mapping trades starting from the monthly and so on. You start a new week, you will do this from the weekly. That's why every week I'm doing a weekly analysis, and you can see them on the trading view where I post them in every weekend. Plus I started to put also educational stuff, and I'm pretty sure that this will help you a lot. And I'm doing this because I really want you to succeed, and I really want to say you that you are very happy, you are very profitable, you are consistent, and you don't need to do like a big stuff. You have to do the same thing every day. You have to respect it. You don't have to overtrade. You have to stay calm. You have to I don't know how to say, not to over leverage, and so on. There are some things that you should learn them, and you should know how to control yourself. So that's why I'm here speaking about how this Forex story is going on. Okay, looking forward to my first training session with you tomorrow. Yes, Max, I will see you tomorrow. I'm pretty sure that you will like it, and you will learn a lot of things. And like the other students said, they couldn't imagine that my strategy, I mean, I gave them some things, some tips from my strategies, and they didn't know that these things, they exist. I don't know how to explain you, because they also study with some other people or reading from some other places and so on, but they say that they didn't know about this style that I have it. And that's why I said sometimes I receive messages from some people that they say, oh Madi, you know, we really need your help because I'm blowing up my account because I took signals from somebody and so on. And I said, okay, I'm very sorry, but I cannot help you because you are not one of my students, let's say. You are not one of my guys from my group. The second, I don't know what kind of trades did you took and you are in a drawdown. I don't know the style of that person that it gave you the signals, and there are a lot of things, you know, and people, they don't understand that you should create your own style, you should create your own path, and you should repeat it every day for you to be consistent. So you will enjoy it, Max. Tomorrow we will start with the basic things, but also with the basic things you will understand some things that you didn't know about them before, okay? And you will see tomorrow when we will have our classes. And coming back to GJ, we still have 5 minutes for this 1 hour candle to close, and I suppose that I think that this candle, if it's closing like this, the next one, it may continue to go up. it may continue to go up to 145, but in the same time I want to see how it's closing, because I don't like these candles here. Okay, so normally and logically, this candle, the next 1 hour candle, should continue to go up to tap this zone. Why? Because you have these wicks here. Okay, you have this kind of rejections here, but I can see, let me take my brush, I can see that my candle from here is trying to close above this mess here. Okay, so in this case it's showing me that the price is closing higher and higher, and it has the possibility to tap this weekly resistance. Okay, so like this you should see your trades and you should read your candles. For those that they have already took classes with me, they know exactly what I'm talking about, and I'm pretty sure that you will understand someday what I'm saying here, even if you're not taking my courses, because I give also some details here that can help you a lot. Okay, so this is one of the tips that I gave you, and I can see that this candle is trying to close above this ugly area from here, and that means it shows me that the next candle has a higher probability to tap this zone of 145. Okay, so yes, if I will find any opportunity, I will take the trade. Definitely I will tell you. If not, then you will stay with the signals that I gave you today, because also they are in profit and so on. But these are for the people that maybe they are coming to my stream and they are new and they want to learn something, and maybe for those that they couldn't take any trades that I gave today with the signals, and maybe they want to take a new trade. But we will see how things will go today. And I told you why I'm trading GJ, and sometimes I'm going also for GU. This is from yesterday, and this is from the 15-minute, where I said that the price is ranging and then it came down. So I prefer to trade GJ because I like it more. If you have any suggestions, please, you can come and ask me or tell me. Okay, so again, if you have something to say, you can ask me, because I said that's why I'm here, and you have the opportunity to answer you for some questions that maybe you don't have answers. Okay, now we have another 1 more minute for this 1 hour candle to close, and I want to see where it wants to come and close, because at this moment it's like it's rejecting from this area, and I want to see exactly where it wants to close. So it seems like the price is coming back in the range zone. That's why you should all the time wait, because it's better to have the best opportunity for you to take the trade, not to take stupid trades. Okay, that's why I'm here, because I want you to be successful. That's why I'm here, because maybe you have some questions and I will answer to you. Imagine I am profitable, okay, and I have shown you to you on my signals, on the live streams and so on. So I think It's like you need me, okay? You need me because you need new information, because maybe you want to learn my style, and because you said that I am profitable. And I can say that I'm not rushing with anything in this life. So I prefer to wait. I prefer to not enter into a trade, okay, than to do stupid things. So like right now, okay, the candle, it closed above of the area where I said that the candle will close. So normally the next candle should continue to go up. Why I'm not entering in this trade, and maybe the price it will go to this weekly resistance? Well, I'm telling you why. In this hour, it's the last hour of the 4-hour candle to close. I will make it like this, or maybe I should put it on the 15. Okay, so now the price on the 15-minute rejected from this area where we had this candle here, okay, this huge mess. Coming back to what we have here, the price, it didn't close in the range zone, and now it's trying to create like a support. That what it means, that the next candle, so if this one is closing bullish and it's closing higher than this one, that means that the next one, it may continue to go up. So you should do what's happening here, okay. You should start to understand how to read the candles, because it's not so heavy to read the candles. You have just to understand how they arrange themselves, okay. And sorry, and if you look on the 15-minute, it was, let's say, normal that this candle will reject from this area. Why? Because you had these rejections here. So I'm not going into this trade because this one, it didn't close somewhere here higher. This is the first one. The second one, I'm pretty sure that the price will continue to fill this week, which normally happens, okay. And the guys that they took classes with me, they know already what I'm talking about. So maybe I should take the next one, or maybe I should wait for the price to see if it's going to reject from this weekly resistance, or to break this range again down, okay. Good. You don't have any questions, I can see. And on the group chat, my God, I say the same thing every time. On the group chat, you are speaking so much, and when you are here with me, and what you will do when I will have the live session with a Zoom, because I will come, put you questions, you have to come to ask me questions, and so on. And it's like an interaction, we have to speak. What you will do at that time? You will blush. So, as I said, I prefer not to enter in a trade when I'm not 100% sure that the price is going in the way that I want. And even if it shows me that the price closed above this line, this resistance that I put it here, I didn't like it because the price rejected from here, and this happened many times. So I prefer to wait to see how this 4-hour candle close, but we have, let's say, more than 70% that the candle, this candle will continue to go and retest again this 145. Why? Because also here the price created like a beautiful support, and if you don't see it, I will do it exactly like this for you to be easier to understand it. And it's exactly like this, and I can do it also like this. It's very simple to map up your trades. Here the price created a beautiful resistance. It had a lot of power, so when you see red, blue, that means that the next candles should be blue again. Okay, you can take it like this if it's harder for you to understand that you don't understand it with bullish, bearish, and so on, because a lot of people, they don't know. I don't know, I had something like bullish and not bullish and bearish, long and short with the trades, and some people, they didn't know what is long and what is short. So that's why I said I take it like a kindergarten. Red candle, blue candle, okay? So when you have a red candle, blue candle, that means that the next one should continue to go up again. So coming back, I will take again my brush. Here you have your support. Here the price rejected from this area. Here you have again a rejection where the price created a resistance. Here the price you had, it has multiple touches. It rejected 1, 2, 3 times, and like this you can identify a very strong area. Okay, it's simple when I'm showing you. Yes, so you should map up like this your charts, and you should understand why the candles are rejecting, why the candles are going up. I did like this for you to understand and to see where the candles are going. Okay, I usually don't trade in the range zone because I don't like it. I mean, it's like I prefer to wait and trade I don't know, this kind of candle, this kind of candles. Okay, the big ones. I am looking for the big ones. Okay, and if you look more on the back, you will find also some other big candles. Okay, so this is on the 4-hour chart. You will find them also in the 1 hour and the 30-minute and so on. So you should wait for the best opportunity. So before I showed you why the price rejected and how can you identify where the price will continue to go. Okay, so it's not hard if you understand exactly what I am saying. Okay, wait, I will come right back. Okay, so I am back. So we should do like this. No, this I will leave it here. So let's do like this. If the price will break from this zone, so we will stay on the 15-minute, okay? Let me see on the 30-minute how it looks. Yes, it's exactly here where the price rejected, okay? So let's do like this. If the price, let me go on the 15-minute. If the price will break from this area, that means break close. Let me remove also this one, so it will be easier for you to see it. If the price will close, so close above one, what do we have here, 144,950. Okay, so if the price will close above this area, then we can have a buy, okay? And if the price will close under 144, let's say 720, and I will put here, if the price will close 144, okay, that means that, wait, okay, that means that we will take a sell. So when you're on the Forex market, you should understand and you should know exactly how to map up your trades. Let me delete this one. I will remove it. I want to do this exercise with you to be easier to understand. So sometimes you can trade on the 15-minute. Why? Because you have a weak confirmation, but in the same time you can trade it. In the same time you can go, when you are watching the 15-minute, you can go also on the 30-minute chart. And on the 30-minute chart, if your 50-minute resistance is the same with your 30-minute chart, that means that you were right and you map up very well your resistance. So I'm waiting. If the price will break this area, that means that the price has range to continue to go up, okay? At least to fill this week and to break, maybe to break 145, 0, what is it, 0.721, but you can say 100, okay? If I'm going also on the 1 hour, I can see that I am right and the price, it's trying to break from this area. And if it close, I say that if it's going to close, maybe nothing will happen when I will be on the live session right now, but maybe it will happen later on. I don't know, but I want to leave it for you to see how things are going, and I want to give it like an exercise for you to be easier to understand. So if the price will close above, okay, 144,950, then we can have a buy. And I will put here a buy, okay? So we can have a buy, and in the same time you need a confirmation. You don't go like this, I don't know how to say, like cows, and you say, oh my god, it's over 144, 950, let's take a buy. No, you need a confirmation, otherwise the market will take and eat your money. And if the price will close under 144,720, that means that the price can continue to go down and you can have a sell. And I want to put here a sell. Oh, sorry. Okay, I will not have a buy stop or a sell stop because I don't want to have it like this. It doesn't worth it. Although I don't have time to stay in the charts, because also I have after this stream students, so I will not have time to stay and watch what's going on with GJ. Okay, that's why I said for you, maybe you have more time and you want to see what's going on. And let's say that you are taking this trade, okay, and if the price will close above this area, that means that the price, let's say that it will close somewhere here, it will have 10 pips. And let me go also, so on the 4 hour, here we have this resistance, which is the weekly. I think that the price, it may continue to break it and go further up. I don't know, my internet is not going so well. So if the price will break that area, we will have a lot of room for the price to continue to go up. My god, we have also this beautiful wick here, but if we will break this area here, believe me that we may continue to tap again this zone, which you think that it's difficult, but imagine that the price can do some crazy stuff, and you will see how fast it's going up or down. Okay, let's say that you want to catch 10-15 pips up or down. It's not easy if you have the best confirmation, and I want to leave it like this on the let me leave it on the 15. Sorry, you know why. Coming back to the chart, and I will leave it like this, not to okay, coming back to the chart, it looks like this candle, it doesn't have a wick. Maybe on the MetaTrader it shows you better that you don't have a wick, when sometimes when you have candles like this one, and I explained it also I think yesterday, it seems that the price doesn't have range to continue to go down, and it may reject and then continue to go up. But I did the chart how you say bigger, and I can see that I have a very small wick here, so it's okay. I can say that it's rejecting well because we have this resistance from here, and it's like the price, I told you, it's going up or down like a ball, and it's like having and creating steps. Okay, let me take my brush. So if the price created here like a step, that means that created here, and it has room to push and to go up. Okay, the next one, maybe it's going to go up, or maybe somewhere here higher, then the price will come back down again. Okay, and as you can see, the price is trying to push up, and the price, maybe we will have it will have the same thing like here. Okay, so it's creating like a step, and then the price is going higher and higher. I can see that GJ is trying to break this area, and when you see that the price is breaking closing, okay, you still have 6 minutes for this 15-minute candle to close. if the candle is closing higher than 950, you can take a buy. Okay, so it's trying to push higher and higher. If the price in this last 6 minutes it will go straight to this resistance, then I cannot do too much, because I don't know if the price will have such a big momentum to break and to continue to go up. But let's see it. I want to go on the 5 minute, which is not so natural to watch and trade on the 5 minute, but here it looks like the price is trying to create support, and now it's breaking through this area, and it still has 45 seconds for this 5 minute candle to close. But I'm waiting the one with a 15 minute. Look how beautiful. So that means that the next candle, if this one is closing like this, that means that the next candle, it should continue to push higher and higher. Okay, so if it closes above 144,950, then it's a buy. If the price will close around this area, that means there is a sell. So like this, you have to map up your trades. It's not hard, believe me. It's just that you have to understand exactly how the price is moving, and you have to feel confident. And when you see something which is in your favor, you have to take it. Otherwise, the market will eat you alive. There are also some things, you can call it impulsive entries. Well, impulsive entries, you take them only when you have a lot of experience, and it's like you have an impulse to enter right now. You have let's say a very small stop loss of 7 pips, and you let the price to continue to go up, and maybe the price will break even higher, and you just control exactly what's going on the market. Okay, you control your you know how to manage your trade, and you know when to raise your stop loss. You know when to close it, because sometimes you can close your trades even when you have how you say, even when you have minus, let's say, on the trade. So that's why it's better to wait and see where you have the best confirmation and when you can enter exactly in a trade. When you are mapping up your trades, your charts, you have to do exactly what I did right now, and it's like I'm prepared. If the price will close above that number, boom, I will take a buy. If the price will close under 144.720, I will take a sell. So you can trade also, you can scalp on the 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour. It's easy to see how things are going. Maybe the price will not push higher. Maybe it will come back down and play a little bit more. We don't know. Maybe in the last half an hour, because we still have 2 minutes and a half for this 30 minute candle to close, and then we will have another 30 minutes for this 4-hour candle to close. And usually on the last hour of the 4-hour candle, you will see that the price is moving, let's say it has momentum. Okay, it's moving let's say much more than usually on the 4-hour. Now at the end it's moving faster than how it's moving normally. So that's why I said all the time you need to have to be patient, you need to have the best confirmation, because in this case here, I gave you a great example for you to understand that if the price will close above, you can take the trade, okay? If not, just wait, because the price, it may bounce, come back up, come back down, maybe it will break, maybe it will go out, up, and create a fake out, and then to come back, maybe to come back down, and you can take also the sell. There are a lot of possibilities for you to be profitable, only that you have to understand how to map up your trades, and the fact that if you are consistent and if you wait for the right moment, you can take very good trades, and it will help you a lot in the future doing this kind of things that I showed you right now on the chart. It will help you a lot in the future, because you will understand better how the candles they move, and you will understand how to read them, and you will know exactly where to place your let's say buy stop or sell stop, or where do you have to have where do you must put, let's say, your entries, okay? So here I gave you two possibilities. Maybe they will not happen, maybe they will happen later on, maybe they will happen Monday, I don't know, but believe me, it will happen. If the price will close over 950, the price will continue to go up. So we still have 5 seconds for this candle to close, and it seems that it closed where it closed. 971. Okay, 950. So now we are waiting for the best entry, okay, to have a buy. Okay, so this is 900, and where is it? 950. Where is it? Okay, so this is 950, the entry. Let's say that we'll put it right here. So we are waiting for the best opportunity. We wait for the best time to entry in a trade. So like this, you can be profitable. If you don't feel there are a lot of people that they take trades, and that they feel a huge pressure after in the same time when they are taking the trade, because they are in panic. Oh my god, the candle is moving up and down, and maybe it's going to hit my stop loss, and so on. Well, when you are placing a trade, you know exactly what you are losing, okay? So you are prepared from the beginning. When you started to play Forex, you knew at the beginning that you should invest some money, and with that money you will risk to make more money. So you have to be prepared from the beginning that when you are placing a trade, you know exactly that if from this trade the price will not do exactly what you think it will going to do, and the price it will come back down and hit your stop loss, it means that you lost the trade, and it means that you knew exactly how much money you will lose, and you have to feel you don't have to feel sad or something like this. I don't know how to explain you. You have to understand that from the beginning you took that trade, and you knew exactly what you are risking and how much money you are losing. So at this moment, I'm expecting for the price to continue to go up. Why? Because here I'm coming back saying, because I can see that also some new people are coming in on the chart, and maybe they are new and they don't know why, let's say, I had this kind of idea of trade. Well, because the price here created a support, and I'm expecting the price to continue to go up. Why? because this candle from here, it's bigger than this one, okay, than the bearish one, and also it closed higher from these two closures, okay, and also it closed higher from this one, and also it closed higher from this one. So I'm expecting the price kind of like continue to go up. Well, if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I cannot be all the time right, but I knew from what I have learned until now that if you wait for the right time, and if you wait and read exactly what the candles are telling you, you can have a very, very good trade. So I'm expecting that this candle to continue to go up. So if it's not going to continue to go up, then it means that I was wrong, and that's it. I just tried my opportunity. So what I can do, another thing to manage your trade is that how do I tell to you to be easier to understand? So for example, if this candle, it's coming down and it will go and close lower than this support from here, that means that the price is rejecting from this area and it will continue to go down. So it means that it hit my stop loss and I was not right about what I said, okay? So if the price will do like this, then I will close my trade and that's it. But I think that the price will continue to go up, and I told you why, because I'm expecting the price to hit this weekly resistance, also because the price here created like a support and it may continue to go up, okay? If this will not happen, then it's okay, it's fine. So you have to know exactly what are you risking and what are you doing on a trade. Let me see also on the 5 minute how this candle is going on. It's moving and I really don't like it, and maybe it's going to come at least to this area and maybe from here of 1918 to reject, but it's not rejecting. Maybe from this area to reject and then to continue to go up, we don't know. So again, I'm not God, I don't know exactly everything, but 90% of the time when I'm trading like this, it works. Maybe I will be right, but not now, maybe later on. Maybe later on it will do exactly the move that I was thinking about. So you have to anticipate it very, very well, okay? Good. Do you have any questions? If you have any questions, please don't hesitate and ask me. I wanted to say that when you place a trade, you should control yourself, you should control your emotion. You don't have to be stressed, you don't have to be like, oh my god, the candle is going down and it's almost hitting my stop loss, what I'm gonna do, my god, my god. No, you have to be very calm. You have to wait to see what the market gives you. You have to see if your idea was right and the market is going in the direction that you saw it. You have to wait and see how the candles are closing. You have to see if you have another opportunity to go in the trade. You have to see if you will close half of your trades. There are a lot of things that you can control them, and this is the beauty of this Forex, because it gives you the opportunity to manage your trades, and it's very nice because you have the opportunity to close 50-80% of your trade and so on. So you know sorry, you have to know exactly how much money you are risking, and don't over trade and over leverage, because you will end up losing money. So it's better to try with a very small lot size than to do it with a bigger lot size, thinking that, oh my god, I'm going to make millions today, or maybe I'm going to make, I don't know, $1,000, $10,000. I don't know what do you have in your heads, but don't think that you will become how you say, richer overnight, because this will not happen. This is only a fairy tale. So in this moment, because I really don't like how this candle is moving, if the candle it's still going to move like this, so that means that it's not my favor, going down and not up, then I will close 50% of the trade, and you can do this and wait to see how it's happening. The thing is that if you know exactly when to close your trade, you will understand that when you are closing let's say 50% of your trade, it's like okay, you took, let's say, like a loss, but it's a small loss because you closed already, and it's like you protect already half of your money. Okay, have 4 minutes for this 15-minute candle to close, and I want to see also on the 30-minute how it looks. On the 5 minutes I was looking, and it was just noise, and I'm expecting the price. As you can see, it came down, it rejected from this area. The candle, it came down, but it didn't went lower than this week. So if this candle was going lower than this week, that means that the probability for the price to continue to go down, it was higher. Okay, because it was breaking, let me take my brush, because it was breaking this let's say like a resistance. Okay, so if the price was breaking this zone, it means that the price will change direction, and like this you can identify where the candles may go. So in this moment it shows me that it really wants to go up because it's rejecting from this area. This is happening on the 30-minute. Let me see on the 1 hour. Sorry, on the 1 hour it looks like it's rejecting even up or down. It's playing like it happened here, but in my mind it's like I believe that the price, it may continue to go up. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I cannot do too much. Okay, so we are waiting, and we will still have another 2 minutes for this candle to close, for this 15-minute candle to close, to see where it wants to close. And that's why I said you don't have to be scared when you are in a trade, because if you are scared, then the first thing that you will do is that you will close the trade because you are afraid that it may hit your stop loss and so on. And I said that you knew exactly that from the moment that you placed an order, it means that you knew already how much money you are risking, and you are you have to understand that you don't have to sorry, I have to put this one big again, okay? You don't have to start to cry and to panic because the candle it's not going into your favor. It's happening. You cannot control and predict 100% the market. It's a little bit impossible. If I could do this, believe me, I could be a trillionaire right now. So I'm not. So it's a little bit impossible to predict the market like this, and you will see also from the other traders, not only from me, because all we do mistakes, but we have to learn from our mistakes, and we have to learn when we should have the best entries, when we should enter in our trades, and when we should take our best profits. So we should know exactly also when we stop. So for example, in this case that we will lose, let's say, this trade, it doesn't mean that you have to enter again into another trade thinking that you will recover your money. No, you will not, sorry, and you will end up losing more money. You will end up screwing your balance. You will end up crying because you will lose more money, and you don't want to happen this. I don't know how to tell you, okay? So you should be, what's happening with my you should wait and see exactly what the market gives you. Let me watch on the 15 minutes, on the on the 30 minute, and on the 30 minute it shows me that the price is trying to push higher, okay? Yeah, I really don't like how these candles look, but we should wait, okay? You don't have any questions right now? You should, because I don't think that I have explained everything, and I don't know if you understood exactly what I told you, and I don't know, maybe you have something to ask me. Oh, come on, GJ push. You have another 15, not even 15, 30 minutes for this 4-hour candle to close. But I really don't like how it's moving right now. And also, I told you it's also in a range area. And I believe that this candle, it will continue to push higher, also because it closed higher and higher. As you can see also here on the 30 minute, the price, it came through this area where we had this resistance, and then it came back down again, but it closed, let's say, a little bit higher, and that gives me also the confirmation that the price, it still has more room to continue to go up. If this will not happen, then what can I do? Well, in this case, I tell you from now that if you don't feel confident, you can close at break even or more than break even, because now, as you can see, if you entered exactly at 950, you are already, let's say, 2 pips on profit. It's exactly how to pay your taxes. So if you don't feel confident, you can close your trade. You don't have to do exactly what I'm doing, okay? Maybe you will feel confident in a few months, or I don't know. But I really want to see how this GJ is moving, and if it's not doing exactly how do I want, then definitely I will close it even with at the break even, let's say, not even minus, because I entered that and now it's 50 57, I entered at 50. So now the candle, it's like playing a little bit here, and it still has 1 minute for this 5-minute candle to close. But I suppose that the candle will continue to go up, but let's see that I don't think that it has more room to go up. So I told you from the beginning, if you don't feel comfortable, you can close the trade. So by doing this, it's like I'm not, let's say, I'm not lying to you with anything. I have explained you everything. I have shown you that you can also place trade and you can win. In the same time, you can place trade and you can lose. So it's not all the time. Let's say, also I saw also on the other traders, let's say, I don't want to give names and so on, but they show only, let's say, the profit, which is not quite real, because it doesn't exist something like this, only profit, because sometimes you can lose. That's why and you saw that I was very honest with you from the beginning, and that's why I'm doing also this live session, because I'm trying to explain you some things. And at the same time, when I did live sessions with you, I had profits and sometimes no, or maybe sometimes I didn't went in the trades. So I like to be honest with you, and also I've been honest with you on the group chat, and I prefer to show you what I'm doing and to explain you exactly what I'm doing, because like this you will understand and you will feel better entering in a trade, because you will know exactly what you are doing. And I want you to feel more confident, and I repeat to myself and to you, sorry, not to me, to you, I repeat to you that you should learn more, because it will help you a lot. Because maybe I will not be here the rest of my life here in front of the chart, because maybe I will do something else, or I don't know what I will do. You never know what can happen, but you should not depend on me. You should be on your own. That's why you should learn, because I don't know, I can give you an example, and maybe you can do the same thing that I'm doing right now. Maybe you can give courses, maybe you can give signals, maybe you can trade on your own, and you will not need any more help. You will help some other people, which is from my point of view, it's one of the most beautiful things, helping people in any ways, like I'm doing right now, or maybe you are helping a person, I don't know, crossing the street, or you know what I am trying to say. So coming back to our chart and to GJ on the 15-minute, we still have another 7 minutes for this 4-hour candle to close, and I really don't like how these candles are moving. And as we can see, the candle now on the 15-minute, it's trying to push up, and it's trying to go, I don't know where, because it doesn't go where I want for the moment. So it's in the same place, okay? And if it's not doing what I want the price to do, then of course I will close the trade, and I really don't like that in this. Okay, we have another 6 minutes. It's not moving, it's doing nothing, let's say. So I have closed my trade, so nothing happened. I closed it at the break even, okay, and nothing really happened. And maybe you should understand why all the time you should wait for the price to give you the best confirmation. And I thought, for example, in this case, that the price will do exactly what I thought that it will do. And also I gave you the let's say the explanation why I'm thinking the price will continue to go up. So when the price is not going into your favor, you wait, and that's why it's very good to go on the smaller time frames, because like this you can watch and see where the candle is going. And when you see that it's not going into your favor, okay, you wait 5 minutes, 10, 15, 20 minutes. And when you don't, and when you see that the price is not going into your favor, then you can close your trade at break even, and that's it. And if you see, for example, in this case, if the price, it will continue to go up and it will do exactly what you said in the last 5 minutes, you don't have to jump into the trade and say that, oh my god, now it's going up, I have to take the trade. No, you don't. Never do this, because the price, it may trick you and you can lose, okay? So I suggest you never do this. It's better to go out at the break even, because also I told you earlier, if you don't feel confident, you can go out now from the trade at the break even. I did the same right now, and now the price, it's still at the same point, which I really don't like it, and I was expecting the price to do the move. So now, because it's almost 4 o'clock my time, that means that also the 4-hour candle closed. If you look on the trading view, I really don't like where the candle closed. I can say that if you like this screen, you can give a like, and also a comment, because it will help me a lot. And also, if you have any questions, you can send me messages, and I will answer to you. You can go sorry, on the trading view, and there you have the analysis. And also this weekend, actually tomorrow, I will do the weekly analysis, and I will post it, and there you can have a look to know exactly at which pairs I will look for the next week. And maybe if you are trading one of that pairs, you will know exactly in which way, which direction it may go, the pair that you are trading. If you want to learn more about me and the courses, and the EA, and the signals, and so on, you can go to bloomfx.com on the website, and there you have all the information, and you can have a look. And again, if you have any questions, you can give me an email, or you can send me messages also on the Instagram at my private page, Madi BloomFX, and also on the page, the official page of BloomFX Signals on Instagram. Or you can go to Telegram, and you can join there the group. And if you want, you can have also the opportunity to go to the VIP group, where I send signals, and also where I have the educational chat. So thank you so much for watching. It's Friday. Please don't overtrade. Take care of yourself. Wait for the weekly analysis. Give a like and share. And see you Monday, when we will have our next live session on YouTube. Thank you.